The 2012 Audi A8 L W12. Audi has announced the addition of the new A8 L W12 model to the current A8 lineup. The new model is powered by a brand new engine that replaces the 4.2-liter V8. Along with the new engine, the A8 L W12 comes with enhanced interior options and standard Audi Connect online car services. It is priced at $133,500, pushing the 4.2L V8 out of the way as the new 6.3-liter 12-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 500 HP and a peak torque of 463 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive and will sprint the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a time of 4.4 seconds. The Audi A8 L W12 will be equipped with the highest level of luxury available in the luxury segment, all standard for the vehicle. These features include 22-way comfort seats in Valcona leather seating surfaces with ventilation and massage functions for all 4 seats, an Alcantara headliner, 20-inch wheels, LED headlights, a panorama sunroof, rear seat entertainment, and Audi Connect with Google Earth.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.